Hello children, welcome to you all. In this video we are going to learn basic needs of animals. In order to survive, animals requires some basic needs like air, water, food and shelter. Without this, no animals can survive. In this video, we are going to learn how it is important for animals. So watch the video till end. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it for many such upcoming videos. Let's start. Air. All animals need air. They breathe in oxygen from the air. Land-dwelling animals get oxygen from the air and they breathe through lungs. Whereas animals living in water like fish get oxygen from water by using their gills. Water is very important for all animals for their survival. We get water by drinking and also from the food that we eat. Animals get water from different water resources like pond, lake, river, etc. How water important for our body? Water helps to maintain body temperature. It helps in digestion of food. It helps to carry nutrients in our body. It helps in the removal of body waste in the form of sweat or urine. Food. Animals need food to get energy for their body, to do works. What do you think? Can animals survive without food if they sleep only without doing any work? No, because during sleep, animals' body functions carried out like heart beats continuously, breathing process occur, and all other body parts works continuously. So their cells need energy. And for energy, animals need food. So without food, they cannot survive, whether they do physical work or not. Different animals take different types of food. We eat different types of food. Some animals eat only plants like cow, goat, giraffe, elephant, etc. Some animals eat flesh of other animals like tiger, lion, leopard, cheetah, etc. Some animals eat seeds and worms. All birds like pigeon, sparrow, peacock, robin, etc. Rabbit love to eat carrot. Bear love to eat honey. Fish eat small fish. Shelter. Shelter is the home of animals which provides safety and protection. It is one of the important basic needs of animals. Do you know why do animals need shelter? Animals need shelter to get protection. They get protection from sun, rain, cold, and other unfavorable conditions. They get protection from the predators. Predators means other animals who harm them. Animals keep their babies safe in the shelter. Different animals make different types of shelter. Birds build nests to live. Different birds have different types of nest. Let's have a look. Hummingbird and it nest. Sparrow, it nest. Eagle nest. Woodpecker and it nest. See the shelter of some animals. Lion live in den. Dog live in kennel. Hen coop. Cow shed. Now see the basic needs of some animals like rabbit. Rabbit get air from the atmosphere. It take water from the water resource. Rabbit eat carrot or small grasses. Rabbit lives in burrows. It make burrows to live in. Basic needs of a bird. Bird get air from the atmosphere. It take water from the water resource. Bird eat seeds, worms, etc. Bird shelter is nest. It build nest to live in. Now see the basic needs of a fish. Fish get air from the water. It take oxygen from the water through gills. Fish live in water, so it take water from the surrounding areas. Food of fish. It eat small fish or aquatic plants. Water is the shelter of fish, and when we keep at home, we make aquarium for the fish. Now see the basic needs of us. We get air from the atmosphere and we breathe through lungs. We need fresh water to drink. Food. We eat plants food, those who are vegetarian, and some are non-vegetarian who depends on animal products also. We live in home. We need home to take rest, for food and for other activities. This is for you to practice. Draw and write the basic needs of a honeybee. Draw and write the basic needs of a tiger. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Can also follow on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching.